think I'm gonna do chicken and waffles this morning, but they have a half order, so I think I'm gonna do that. Their waffles and pancakes are so good. This is so pretty. Alright, so our little one wants this. A little God Time for Girls. It's a daily devotional. I think she'll really enjoy it. And then my husband picked up this for us to be able to have like a Bible study with her. Hey friends, welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous day. It's day 24 of Vlogmas. It's so hard to believe I made it this far, but I did, and I'm super proud of myself. These videos were not easy to make daily. Took a lot of commitment to make sure I got them in, between my busy days, my schedule, the kids, it took a lot, but we made it. So I'm super excited about that. And it showed me that I can be more present in this YouTube space. So going into 2025, I do want to be more consistent with my videos, try to get on a routine schedule, like a certain day weekly for uploads. I really want to get to that point. I also want to expand my content, do more lifestyle content. I mean, I absolutely love handbags, but I'm multidimensional, so I do want to get into other stuff as well. But anyhow, if you guys have stuck around this whole time, I thank you so very much. I appreciate you guys so much, more than you know. To my new subscribers, welcome to you. And if you're just browsing, hit that subscribe button so we could be friends. It's absolutely free. I'm nice. So yeah, let's just do it. Being that it's Christmas Eve, I was off, my husband was off. We kind of had like a date morning. We went to breakfast. I did a little last minute Christmas shopping. I was looking for one thing particularly for my mom, and I couldn't find it. So I think I'm gonna still get it. I'll just have to give her this thing after Christmas. It was available. I had flew to Atlanta the other day, and I saw that they had it at Lenox Mall, but I ran out of time and couldn't make it to the mall, and I just kept assuming I was gonna be able to find it somewhere else. Didn't happen. So I'm gonna order it online and have it delivered, and I really hope she likes it. I'm just thinking that it'll be something really nice for her. So yeah, I gotta still get that. But other than that, I think pretty much everybody else is taken care of. We went to one of the outlet malls. It wasn't very crowded at all this morning, which was surprising. I did pop over to Coach. Coach was crowded. You saw a lot of men in there, I guess, buying last minute gifts for their significant others. Coach, I would say, probably was one of the most crowded stores. I also popped into Kate Spade. I love the Kate Spade brand as well. They had some beautiful colors. My husband walked in Brooks Brothers. We went into a few different stores, but outside of like what we want to get today, I mean, that's pretty much what we stuck with. In today's video, we are going to discuss the last bag for Vlogmas, and it is definitely a personal favorite. I went back and forth on which bag I wanted to go over today because I had like 3 different ones in mind, which all have a certain, they either represent something specific or they represent something specifically, or they're designated for something specifically. So I went back and forth, finally made a decision on which bag I wanted to cover. Spoiler alert, it is a discontinued bag, but there is a new version of it that you can now get, but I personally don't like the newer version. Yeah. So if you're interested to know what bag that is, stick around. Bag of the day, let's talk about it. This bag, I debated on buying the original version. And then I said, no, it has too much vachetta. I was scared I was going to ruin it because what I wanted to use it for was more so when I was like out with my kids. So theme parks, amusement parks, fairs, museums, stuff like that, right? That was my sole purpose of wanting this bag. I truly wanted it to be more like a mom bag, so that I could be hands-free and still have everything I needed to carry. Not so much a crossbody, but I wanted it to sit a little bit higher than a crossbody, so that's why I went with this bag. And that bag is none other than the original Louis Vuitton bum bag, and this is the World Tour edition. So this bag did come in vachetta, and I'll insert a photo now. I really thought about buying it before it got discontinued. I actually ended up ordering this like right before maybe like 6 to 9 months before it was like, there started being rumors that the bag was going to be discontinued. So I went ahead and put in my order, and then sure enough, within the next year, the bag was gone. That original version in the monogram and vachetta, absolutely love that bag. And I love to see it when the vachetta is patina, but for purposes of what I wanted to do, like Disney, Epcot, fairs, whatever, right? I was just so afraid I would like get stuck in the rain or waste something on it and I would just ruin the leather. So I opted to not go with the monogram and vachetta, and instead I went with the World Tour version. So what makes it the World Tour version is, for one, you had to customize it. So it came, you could either do it in vachetta, which I don't know who was going to pay extra to order it in World Tour and still get vachetta. I guess some people did, right? Because you, of course, could add stickers to it, but you could choose your interior, you could choose your type of leather, so whether that was the untreated vachetta or the black leather, and then you could choose how you wanted to customize the bag. So I went with black leather, and the strap has black leather as well, and it's gold hardware. There's a little black tab right here that just says Louis Vuitton Paris. And then as far as the customization, I went with one sticker, and I put my sticker in the back because I didn't want it to be seen when I was wearing the bag. I'm just not the type to have stuff showing on the front. So I wanted the front to remain basic and just put, that sticker on the back. The inside of the bag, very red, and it's like a textile lining. And this particular bag was made in France. It maybe took about 6 weeks or so to get it after I ordered it. We were living in Europe at the time. So from the time I ordered and it was delivered to the boutique, it was about 6 weeks. Now, there is a double zipper on it, so it zips from both sides. And normally when I wear the bag, I wear it like this. I don't usually wear it like a fanny pack. I wear it like this, or I'll wear it like this. And that's usually how I wear it. I love this bag for, like I said, when I'm out with my kids and we're doing stuff, because it allows me to just like run behind my toddler. It allows me to do whatever I want with my hands while still having, a bag. I can still fit like a little pack of wipes, a diaper, a wallet, even 2 diapers probably, my phone, keys. So I can still fit a few things in here comfortably, to where I could get away with still being hands-free and having everything that I need. I absolutely love the bum bag. This particular style of the bum bag was discontinued, and now there's the high rise. I don't like the high rise. It's just not my style preference, but I know it is a popular bag and some people do like it. I just, however, did prefer the original version way, way more than that newer version. So yeah, I'm really happy I decided to pull the trigger and order this before it was too late. It came in, I've used it ever since. I've had it for several years now, and as you can see, there's hardly any wear on it. I mean, I do try to take care of my bags so that they could eventually be passed down, but for the most part, I mean, there's no wear. I do see people sometimes add something right here to hang down. I usually don't do that, like add some type of charm or something. Never tried it, maybe one day I will, but yeah. So this is bag 24 for the 24 days of Vlogmas. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. I've enjoyed recording it. I have enjoyed, you know, talking to my new subscribers. I love it when you guys leave me comments. I love your suggestions. Like yesterday, I got a suggestion about what my last 2 videos of the year should be, and I absolutely love those suggestions. I can't remember the name who left it, but I need to respond back to her. I so appreciate you guys. I love the support. I thank you for rocking with me. And I can say my first Vlogmas was a success. I will see you guys after Christmas. So I wish you all a happy holidays, and hopefully we'll chat again before the new year. As always, be safe.